Of biochemistry. Biochemistry is a science concerned with the chemical constituent of the living cells, including the biochemical reactions and processes in the living organisms. Formally, biochemistry can be defined as a science concerned with the basics of life. Over the last few decades, biochemistry has become successful at explaining living processes. Now, almost all areas of the life sciences, from botany to medicine, are involved in the biochemical research. Today, the main focus of the pure biochemistry is to understand how biological molecules give rise to the processes that occur within living cells, which in turn related greatly to the study and understanding of whole organisms. Biochemistry governs all living organisms and living processes. Biochemists study the chemical processes that occur in human mainly and also in the lower and higher animals in organisms. Is essential to understand the medicine as well as all the life sciences. Biochemistry includes the sciences of molecular biology, immunochemistry, neurochemistry, and bioinorganic chemistry, bioorganic chemistry, biophysical chemistry, and it is applied to the various fields such as medicine and veterinary medicine. In food science, biochemistry perform research to develop abundant and inexpensive sources of nutrition foods, determine the chemical composition of food, develop the methods to extract nutrients from waste products, and invent ways to prolong the shelf life of food product. In agricultural biochemistry studies the interactions of the herbicides with the plants. Biochemistry has enormous impact on the understanding and maintenance of health and understanding and effective treatment of the diseases. Biochemical tests are being used to study basic aspects of pathology. Biochemical approaches are being used exclusively in microbiology, botany and zoology. Pharmacy and pharmacology studies are based on sound knowledge of biochemistry. Various biochemical tests which are used to study immunology and physiology. Study of body functions, that is physiology, completely overlap with the biochemistry. Study of genetics involves use of biochemical aspect. In these areas, a biochemist may investigate the mechanisms of drug actions, engage in viral research, conduct research to organ functions, and or use chemical concept, procedures and the techniques to study the diagnosis and therapy of disease and the assessment of the health. The clinical biochemistry. According to the definitions of World Health Organization, health is a stage of complete mental, physical and social well-being. Abnormalities in the chemical constituents and with the rate of the reactions in living cells are exhibited by various diseases. Following are the major factors responsible for causing diseases in human. Biological agents such as bacteria, fungi, viruses and other parasites. The certain toxin, chemicals and drugs. Endocrine imbalance leading either to hormonal excesses or deficiencies. Autoimmune diseases involving immunological reactions. Nutritional imbalances caused by nutritional excess or deficiencies. Genetic disorders. Oxygen deficiency caused by loss of blood and by pathological conditions leading to considerable decrease in circulating red blood cells, which result in reduction of oxygen and carrying capacity. Physical agents such as radiations, atmospheric pressure, electric shock and sudden change in temperature. The clinical biochemistry deals with the biochemistry laboratory applications to find out cause of a disease. The chemical constituents of various study fluids such as blood, urine, CSF, and other bloody fluids are analyzed in a clinical biochemistry laboratory. These determinants are useful to diagnose various clinical conditions such as diabetes mellitus, jaundice, pancreatitis, rickets, etc. The biochemistry tests are very useful in determining the severity of diseases of many organs such as liver, stomach, heart, kidneys, brain, as well as the endocrine disorders and related status of acid-base imbalance of the body. The clinical biochemistry test in relation to the various clinical conditions that are reveal the causes of the disease, the screen easy diagnosis, suggest effective treatment, assist in monitoring progress of a pathological condition, and help in assessing response to therapy. The main objective of the biochemistry is the complete understanding of all chemical processes in living cells at the molecular level, since the cell is structural unit of the living system. The cells. Cells are two types, eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Prokaryotes that don't have the total full nuclear part, and eukaryote that is a well developed cell. The body is composed of the tissues, e.g. tissue is composed of the cells and fibers. Although the cells have concerns, they are specialized and are various types. The specialized cell differs from other specialized one in shape, size and function. The type of the arrangement of the cells and the fibers enable the recognize the various tissues. The cell is the unit of the larger masses of the build and which cannot be further divided without losing its identity. Most of the cells are composed of a nucleus surrounded by the cytoplasm, and each cell is enclosed by the membrane. The size of normal eukaryotic cell is about 10 to 100 micrometers. The cell have nucleus, cytoplasm membrane,